Hello there, this is Josie. Today I'm going to make Tulsi tea using black tea and an herb called Tulsi. Let's begin. Put in your tea into the teapot and then pour hot water. Go. Then we will add Tulsi. This herb came from my garden. There we go. I'm going to steep it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Tulsi is an anti-inflammatory herb. It is in the basil family. It is packed with antioxidants, good stuff for the body. Tulsi tea reminds me of our stay in Bangladesh. There's this tea company that make blends with black tea and Tulsi. They are called Kazi and Kazi. It's just a fun memory when I smell Tulsi. Anyway, let us stir our tea. I could already smell the aroma coming from the Tulsi. There we go, it's about ready, and we're going to pour it into our cups. Using a strainer, I'm going to pour it into the cup. The aroma that comes from the tea is just wonderful. Very refreshing. Go. And I'm going to add in milk. Milk is a very important ingredient when drinking black tea. We learned to drink milk tea while we were living in Sri Lanka for the first time. So here we go. You can add milk, or you can drink it without milk. There. Beautiful. This time, I'm gonna flavor with brown sugar. About half a teaspoon for this smaller cup. A little bit more for the bigger cup. There. We stir it for proper blending. The next one. There you have it. I'm going to call my husband to share it with him. Ned? There. Pull up a chair. There you go.
All right. Thank you very much.
That's so good.
So very nice.
Closer here. There you go.
You know, again, it's a hot day
Show
here.
your face.
It's really hot. And, you know, you always think about having nice ice cold tea in the South when it's hot. And that is nice. But you would not believe how nice a cup of hot tea is as well. And that's what we're enjoying today. This is such a flavorful cup of tea. You know what I like about it? It has all the flavor of a really nice black tea and the bonus of Tulsi.
Yeah.
And that's what we're having. It's very, very nice to see you all today. Look forward to seeing you again in the very near future. And then we might have another cup of Tulsi tea with you. And maybe we'll have another one. And maybe we'll bring another surprise. You never know. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.
Well, this is it for today. And we will be coming back in the next days to make another cup of tea and talk more about tea. Cheers!